Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Denby grey speckled large mug. So let's go ahead and unpack it. So in this protective paper packaging is a large Denby pottery grey speckled mug. Let's go ahead and unwrap it to reveal the mug. And setting that protective paper wrapper to the side, we're now looking at the Denby grey speckled large mug. So it is a stoneware mug with a 400 milliliter capacity. And just to set it down and give you a full and clear look at the mug before I start handling it. And now taking a close-up look at the mug. So it is hand decorated, as you can see, with the muted chalky white paint splatter across the entire surface externally of the mug. And on the inside, we can see that it is white in color with a glossy glaze. And there is a tag as well. So taking a close-up look at the tag. And the details of this hand-painted large Denby pottery grey speckled mug. And to show you how the light plays against its matte surface. And the close-up details of this mug. So you can see on the edge or rim of the mug there is that exposed stoneware beige color between the internal glossy white and the external or exterior pale grey with the white splatter. And taking a look at the handle right there, you can see that it does have that consistent splatter and color right throughout the mug's design. And we can see that it does have a tapered design narrowing towards the base or bottom of the mug. And taking a look at the underside of the mug, you can see that it does have the Denby details, and that this mug is dishwasher, microwave oven, fridge and freezer safe, and it is made in England in Derbyshire. So once again we see that Derbyshire clay or stoneware exposed on the base rim of the mug. And just to give you a closer in detail, and in terms of dimension, this mug does have a 9.5 centimeter diameter and measures 13 centimeters wide, including the handle, and 9 centimeters deep. And in terms of the robustness of the mug and its stoneware design or construction, just tapping on its body to give you some sense of just how dense that stoneware design is. And in terms of grip, to give you some idea of the way it looks. And of course, to give you some perspective as well, resting this 400 milliliter capacity mug in my hand or palm, and a mug weighs 330 grams. So once again, an all-round look at this mug, the Denby grey speckled large mug with a 400 milliliter capacity. So that's the Denby grey speckled large mug. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!